Ahlan wa sahlan wa marhaban bikum. In our previous lesson, we learned that there are three types of word, kalima. Ism, noun, fi'l, verb, and harf, particle. In today's lesson, we are going to learn anwa'ul ism, types or qualities of nouns. Al-ismu wa anwa'uhu, noun and its qualities. Before we mention qualities, now let's define what ism is. Al-ismu, noun, is a word that names a person, place, or thing, as in Khalid, museum, or book. It can be indefinite or definite, singular, dual, or plural, masculine or feminine. It can carry any three haraka, vowels. In a sentence, it functions as a subject or an object. Now let's mention what these qualities are. What are the four qualities of noun? The first one, at-tadhkir wa ta'nith, gender. In Arabic, unlike in English, each noun is either masculine or feminine. The second quality is al-adad, numbers, such as singular, dual, or plural. The third quality is at-ta'rif wa tankir, definiteness or indefiniteness. Each noun is either definite or indefinite. And the last quality is al-i'rab, case ending, whether the noun ends with dhamma, fatha, or kasra. Now let's begin with the first quality, at-tadhkir wa ta'nith, gender. A noun can be categorized into two categories with respect to its gender, masculine al-mudhakkar and feminine al-muannath. Masculine called al-mudhakkar in Arabic and feminine called al-muannath. Each noun, whether it is person, place, animal, or thing, is either masculine or feminine. A noun is masculine by default. A noun is masculine by default. In Arabic, most feminine nouns that refer to human are derived from masculine nouns by adding the feminine marker suffix ta, which is called at-ta al-marbuta, round ta. At-ta al-marbuta, round ta, or closed ta, is the feminine marker. Now let's give examples. How to make masculine feminine. How to change masculine noun to a feminine noun. Talibun is a male student. It's a masculine. Talibun. Talibatun is female student and it is feminine. We added ta marbuta, round ta, at the end of the word. Another example, walidun, father. By adding ta marbuta, it becomes walidatun, mother. The last example, zawjun, husband, and by adding ta marbuta, it becomes zawjatun, wife, husband and wife. We said earlier that a noun is masculine by default. The nouns are masculine by default. Examples, qalamun, pen, kitabun, book, a pen, a book, baytun, a house. These are considered as masculine because they don't have ta marbuta at the end of the word. If we add ta marbuta, it will be feminine, such as shajaratun, a tree, usratun, a family, sayyaratun, a car. All these are considered as feminine because they have ta marbuta at the end. The second quality of the noun is al-adad, number, singular, dual, or plural. A singular in Arabic called mufrad. It's a noun refers to one person or entity. Mufrad is singular. A dual is called in Arabic muthanna. It refers to two people or entities. and plural is called jam'un. It refers to 3 or more. The dual is derived from the singular by adding alif and noon regardless of the type of singular. Alif and noon by adding after singular word. Example, talibun, a student, one student. By adding alif and noon, it becomes talibani, two students. It's a dual. Talibun is singular and talibani dual. Remember, we need to eliminate tanween at the end of the word when we add alif and noon. No more tanween is written at the end of the word. Talibun. Is removed. It becomes talibani if we add alif and noon. Example for feminine noun, talibatun, female student, and dual of it is talibatani, two female students. Talibatun, talibatani. Kitabun, a book. Kitabani, two books. Sayyaratun, a car. Sayyaratani, two cars. When it comes to plural, there are two types of plural. Sound plural, al-jam'u salim, and broken plural, jam'u taksir. Sound plural is called al-jam'u salim, and broken plural is called jam'u taksir. The sound plural is regular and is derived from the singular by adding waw and noon in the case of masculine, and it sounds like un. And alif ta in the case of feminine, it sounds like at. For masculine, un, waw noon, un, and for feminine, alif and ta, at. The broken plural is irregular and has different forms. There's no one way, there's no one rule to form a broken plural. Now first let's give example for sound plural. Sound masculine plural. Al-jam'ul mudhakkar salim. Sound masculine plural. Mudarrisun, a male teacher. Mudarrisuna, male teachers, more than two, 3 or more teachers. Mudarrisun, mudarrisuna. This is called sound masculine plural. Al-jam'ul mudhakkar salim. An example for sound feminine plural is mudarrisatun, a female teacher. Mudarrisatun, female teachers, 3 or more female teachers. And this is called sound feminine plural. Al-jam'ul muannath salim. And now let's give example for irregular plural or broken plurals. As we said, they don't have one rule, one way, or one form. They all have different forms. Kitabun, a book. Kutubun, books, 3 or more books. Qalamun, pen. Aqlamun, pens, 3 or more pens. Baytun, house. Buyutun, houses, 3 or more houses. Hadiqatun, garden. Hadaiqu, gardens. As we see, all of them have different forms. Now let's go to the next quality of the noun. The third quality is al-i'rab, case ending. There are 3 cases of Arabic nouns. First, the nominative case, halatul raf. It means that the noun is marked by a dhamma on the ending letters. Example, kitabun, kitabun. And this is called halatul raf, the nominative case. The second case is the accusative case, halatun nasb. It means that the noun is marked by a fatha on the ending letters. Example, kitaban, kitaban. The third case is the genitive case, حالة الجر. It means that the noun is marked by a kasra on the ending letters. Example, kitabin, kitabin. If we give example in a sentence, Al-baytu kabirun. The house is big. Al-baytu kabirun. The word baytu gets dhamma in this sentence because it is subject. Subjects get dhamma. The second example, ra'aytul bayta. Ra'aytul bayta. I saw the house. The word house, al-bayt, gets fatha in this sentence because it is object. Objects get fatha in Arabic. And the third example, ana fil bayti. I am in the house. Ana fil bayti. The word al-bayt gets kasra in this sentence because it is followed by a prepositions. A noun is followed by preposition gets kasra. Ana fil bayti. The fourth and the last quality of a noun is التعريف والتنكير, definiteness or indefiniteness. The first one, indefinite, النكرة. النكرة is called indefinite. Definition of it is the name of an unspecific person, place or thing. It is marked by tanween. It is marked by tanween. Example, aman rajulun. Rajulun aman. A book, kitabun. Kitabun, a book. A city, madinatun. Madinatun, a city. The second one is definite. Al-ma'rifah. Al-ma'rifah, definite. It is the name of a specific person, place or thing. Example, the man. Ar-rajulu. It is a specific person. Ar-rajulu, the man. Misru, Egypt. Misru, Egypt. Ahmad. In most cases, it is indicated by alif and lam, prefix to the noun. This also results in eliminating the tanween at the end of the word. Example, kitabun, a book. Al-kitabu, the book. As we see, tanween is no more written on the last letter. Kitabun, al-kitabu. When we add alif lam, tanween becomes single dhamma. Second example, baytun, a house. Al-baytu, the house. Talibun, student. At-talibu, the student. And last example, mudarrisun, a teacher. Al-mudarrisu, the teacher. This all for today's lesson. Each of these qualities will be explained in details in the future lesson, inshallah. See you. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ila liqa.